Brothers and sisters, this is Brother Safari again. Peace, love. I come to you with a question more so than the answer. I'm wondering, we're here in Atlanta, in the West End, but I'm asking all of Atlanta, step up. We're trying to do something real big here with our GoFund and our eco-friendly society in Africa, in Ghana, Africa. And we need help. We need investment. We need you. If you're watching this, we need you to help. Send something. Give something. Before you put that new system in the car, decide to give us something. Before you go buy that fancy rims, give something. Don't be afraid to share with us. That will initiate black love. In addition to that, November, it's coming up. Come on our tour. Come see home. It's the greatest trip you can ever go on. Come see what it looks like. Don't depend on PBS. Don't depend on the books. Come see it. It will blow your mind. Best trip I've ever been on. I've been to Jamaica 3 times. I did a lot of cruises over in the Western Caribbean, Cozumel, Turks. Africa was the best trip I've ever been on. Just seeing culture difference, seeing how they do things different, seeing the taste of the different fruits, vegetables. It was amazing. The amount of love that I seen over there, amazing. I mean, it's almost not a word for it. So once again, this is a short video pertaining to help, a plea for help. We need money. We need some viable hands. People that might be an electrician that got some time, who might be a master carpenter who has some time, who wants to invest some of their time and stuff like that. But this is Atlanta, Georgia. There's a lot of big celebrities out here. Come on, brothers. Come on, sisters. Where you at? That's pretty much it. And I end off with black love again. Peace.